Alright, so in this video I'm going to be going over the 4.1 to 4.2 quiz review. This one wants me to solve my equation, solve my system by substitution. So that means I am going to take this and plug in for y. So it's going to give me x plus 3 equals negative 5x minus 9. Then I want to get x all along. I am going to first add 5x to both sides to get my variable on the same side. I get 6x plus 3 equals negative 9. I want to subtract 3 on both sides. This gets me 6x equals negative 12. I want to go ahead and divide both sides by 6. This gets me x equals negative 2. Then I'm going to plug in for my y value. I can pick either equation. I'm going to pick the second one just because there's less work. So I'm going to have y equals, I'm going to plug in my negative 2 plus 3, which gives me 1. Remember, coordinate points are always written in the form x comma y. So it doesn't matter which one I get first. I always want to write the x one first. So I have negative 2, 1. Number 2 wants me to use the graph to solve the system. So I am looking for where they cross, which is right here at 1, negative 8. 3 wants me to again solve by substitution. So I'm going to plug this in for the y value here. So I have 2x plus 3 times x minus 4 equals 8. Then I want to go ahead and distribute that 3. So that gives me 3x. And then 3 times negative 4 gives me negative 12. Still equals 8. I'm going to combine like terms. 2 plus 3 is 5. Minus the 12 equals 8. I want to add 12 to both sides. We get 5x equals 20. I want to go ahead and divide both sides by 5. X equals 4. Then I'm going to plug into either one of my equations. I'm going to again pick the top one because it has less coefficients in front of my variables. So I have y equals, I'm plugging in 4 for x, minus 4, which gives me 0. So my answer here is 4, 0. My next one wants me to solve by graphing. I have 2 equations. I'm going to do this first one in blue. So I'm starting up at 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I put my dot. My slope here is negative 1. So I'm going to go down 1 square, right 1, and then I want to connect to my points. I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing for my second line. I'm going to go up 2. And my slope is 1 over 3. So I go up 1 over 3. And my 2 graphs are crossing at that second point I drew, which is 3, 3. Number 5 wants me to say which system has no solution, infinitely many, and 1 solution, and then to justify my answer. So this one has 1 solution. They only cross once. The next one, they are parallel. They have no solution. They never cross. And this last one is infinitely many solutions. They overlap.